Hi friends, myself Grisha, working as an assistant professor in SNS College of Engineering, Coimbatore. We are discussing about wireless sensor network. Overview of this wireless sensor network. We have already discussed the introduction. What is a wireless sensor network? What are the applications? So we are going to discuss deeply about some applications included in our syllabus. So first one is habitat monitoring. Monitoring the habitat by using sensor. So the different kinds of conditions like continuous monitoring of natural habitat using sensors, drones and satellite. Each instruments are contain sensors and the application tracking wildlife migration patterns, monitoring vegetation, health and deforestation, assessing the impact of climate change. So habitat monitoring is mainly preserving ecosystem with the technology. Every migration patterns and health condition, deforestation, vegetation health, and climate changes. These are related to. These are sensed by those sensors sensed by wireless sensor networks. So this is the main application. Then the technologies are used in this wireless sensor network for habitat monitoring are IoT based enabled environmental sensors, remote sensing like satellite and drones, AI for predictive analytics. So mainly the habitat monitoring is related to the sensors, drones and satellite, which is sense the wildlife migration patterns and monitoring vegetation and health and deforestation, assessing the impact of climate change, etc. So this is the habitat monitoring, preserving ecosystem with the technology. So then the next one is tracking chemical plumes. First of all, we want to understand what is chemical plumes. It is a contamination of a water or any environmental. So chemical plumes is a contaminant or a pollutant. Ensuring environmental safety. The definition is detecting and monitoring the dispersion of chemical substances in air, water, or soil, which is related to uh, air pollution, water pollution, or soil pollution, etc. So each are contaminated by different dispersion of different kinds of chemical substances. That is sensed by this tracking. That is sensor tracking by sensor the chemical plumes. The contaminant or the dispersion of chemical substances is known as chemical plumes. The applications are detecting air pollution and greenhouse gases. Greenhouse gases are carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, etc. Then managing industrial accidents, then protecting public health in urban areas. So everything is correctly related to pollutions. Then some of the technologies are in the backside of this tracking chemical plumes are chemical sensor and IoT. So and hardware is must use in the tracking chemical plumes. Then computational fluid dynamics CFD for modeling, autonomous vehicle or drones for real-time data collection. So tracking chemical plumes is a main or a crucial issue in our environmental sustainability, like air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution. Everything is the dispersion of chemical plumes. These chemical plumes are affect our environment very badly. So tracking chemical plumes, at the end of tracking these chemical plumes, we have to understand where it is formed, and we have to overcome this chemical plumes and this pollution, which is mainly ensuring the environmental safety. So the next one is smart transportation. Transforming urban mobility. Smart transportation is mainly related to the urban areas. Intelligent and sustainable transport system powered by technology. It is it is a best way of transportation. It is powered by different technology. So in an urban area, reducing traffic congestion using AI and data analytics, and autonomous and connected vehicle, real time tracking of public transportation. Then in the in the background of that this application, some technologies are using like GPS and IoT sensor for traffic management, AI for route optimization, for in which route is uh, it is traffic is high, which is find out by the AI, and electric and hybrid vehicles. Then city roads with the connected cars, bus and smart traffic signals. So the smart transportation is basically attached, basically in the cases of urban area. So reducing traffic congestion using AI is the main function of the smart transportation. These are the three application of wireless sensor network. Sensors are using in different conditions in different area. So the applications are different in different area. Thank you.